Hi. Welcome to episode 3 of our AI-assisted web development guide for beginners, where we'll build a complete web page. As a beginner, the best option is to start with a portfolio website for yourself. I'm going to build a portfolio website for Jensen F., a web developer, using Claude AI. Here are the project files we added in the previous episode. And Claude is open. We'll use the same chat from the previous episode. When using Claude's free plan, two things matter. First is model. Claude automatically picks the best available model on the free tier, currently Claude Sonnet. With paid plans, you can choose from better models depending on your requirements, which we'll explore in our advanced guide. Second is effort level. Claude has different effort mode, as you can see here. Low mode is good for simple code, small prompts, and single-focused tasks. Medium mode is good for multi-step tasks, debugging, comparisons, and detailed answers. High and thinking modes are good for complex problems, deep analysis, difficult coding, research, math, and high-accuracy tasks. Max mode is good for the hardest tasks, advanced reasoning, long projects, complex research, architecture decisions, and mission-critical accuracy. In our case, we'll select the medium mode with thinking enabled as it involves considerable coding and multi-step tasks. Now let's build a complete one-page portfolio website via AI, including content, styling, and SEO. First, we need the content, so that AI can design the website accordingly. Here is the prompt we'll use. I'm building a portfolio website for a web developer named Jensen F. Suggest a short hero bio with a title, description, and CTA, 6 relevant skills, 3 fictional project names with one-line descriptions, and a contact section tagline. Keep it human-like, professional, but modern. Here we've specifically mentioned which sections we want, including the number of items and components in each section. You can add or remove sections as needed, depending on your requirements. But the AI must have a clear picture of what you need to provide proper and expected results. Now let's send the prompt, and let Claude generate everything. Okay, you can see that Claude has generated the initial content for us. We can change these if we offer different services. It seems okay. The content looks okay for now. Now comes the fun part. We give Claude one big prompt to build the entire page. Build a complete one-page portfolio website for a web developer named Jensen F. using the content and files we generated above. Include these sections: navbar, hero with bio, skills, projects, contact form, and footer. Use a clean, modern design with bold, colorful accents. Use one strong accent color, good typography from Google Fonts, placeholder images where required, and make it fully responsive. Here we've also clearly mentioned which sections we need and what type of layout and design we want. If you're unsure which sections to add to your website, you can also ask AI which sections are recommended or commonly included by prominent developers in their portfolio websites. We'll demonstrate this in our advanced development guide, where we'll build complex systems. Now let's send the prompt, and let Claude generate everything. The AI reads the prompt, analyzes it, creates a plan, and then implements it according to the given instructions. Okay, you can see that Claude has generated the initial code for us. Let's check it briefly. Looks okay. By default, it is showing the last file's code, which is script.js. Click on the index.html file to view its code. Click on the code icon to view the code. Copy it using the copy button and paste it into the index.html file. Click on the style.css file, copy its code, and paste it into the style.css file. Click on the script.js file, copy its code, and paste it into the script.js file. You can use the Save All option or press Ctrl+KS to save all files at once. Now click Go Live, and let's see what we got. Here we go. Not bad for one prompt. The Skills section. The Projects section. The Contact form. And the footer. Let's check it overall to see if the navigation, buttons, and other sections look okay. Everything is there. AI picked the fonts, the colors, the spacing, and the layout. All from one prompt. That's our first draft of Jensen F's portfolio, live in the browser, built with just 2 prompts. In the next episode, we'll go section by section and refine everything with follow-up prompts until it looks truly polished. See you there! And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.